Welcome to the Yeeflow Form Report tutorial series. Today, we will demonstrate how to utilize form report data as a data source and reference it in various components and controls within Yeeflow. This enables us to establish a connection between data and visually analyze it. In both data lists and approval forms, form reports can function as a data source for lookup and lookup list controls. For instance, when creating an approval form or configuring a data list, you might need to choose associated data records from an existing form report. This association can be established through the lookup control or the lookup list control. In the data source drop-down list, you can then choose the relevant form report within the form report category. This allows users to seamlessly select records in the current approval form or data list from the linked form report using the lookup control, ensuring real-time data consistency. Form reports can be used to populate data-present controls like news, gallery, data table Gantt, and collection. Use form reports as the data source for these controls. Through the utilization of these controls, you can present form report data in diverse layouts on the approval form or dashboard. Additionally, you can apply filters to the data as necessary, facilitating customized business interactions. Yeeflow's data analytic controls, such as pie chart, column chart, and line chart, can utilize form reports as their data source. Utilize these controls to visually represent form report data, enabling thorough and insightful data analysis. Overall, using form reports as a data source across different controls enriches your data, facilitates interconnectivity, ensures consistency, and improves your data management efficiency in Yeeflow. Thanks for joining us on this tutorial. Stay tuned for more Yeeflow tutorials to enhance your form report capabilities.